Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at Ray-Ban sunglasses model RB4307 in color code 643855. The color of the frame is blue. On its temples is a protective sleeve to make sure they don't get scratched or damaged. On its temples you'll find the Ray-Ban logo. Its temples are blue and the tips are green. You'll also find the Ray-Ban logo engraved on its top right lens. In the inner right temple, you'll find the Ray-Ban logo and that it's made in Italy. On the inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is RB4307, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 61 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 130 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Ray-Ban box, a Ray-Ban case, a Ray-Ban cleaning cloth, a Ray-Ban booklet, and a Ray-Ban cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, make sure to check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.